Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Happy late Thanksgiving if you're in Canada, and happy October. I personally love to wake up on October mornings where they're foggy, a little bit chilly, that just makes you want to curl up with a book or curl up with your hot cocoa or coffee. You guys already know that it's coffee for me. If you don't know me, you also might not know that I am obsessed with Halloween. Everywhere you look in the house, there's something to do with Halloween. Love Halloween, always have loved Halloween. I've also been trying to get into tea, so I usually make a big pot of tea in the morning for me and Steven, mostly for Steve because he actually doesn't drink coffee, and when he wakes up it's kind of nice that he has a nice warm tea to wake him up. He has a really long work day, so lately I've been just prepping some snacks so that he always has something to go ahead and grab in the mornings while I'm teaching, and it's also nice for me, even if he isn't here, I try to snack prep so I don't have to do it later on. Most of these snacks are eaten before lunch anyway, so I try to double up if I can, and I like to get up early before my partner just because, again, he has a really long, hectic, busy work day with his job, and I have a lot more free time than he does, so I like to dedicate some extra free time in the morning for my skincare, to maybe cook something or to heat up some tea or coffee and just kind of get the morning started a little ahead of time, make the bed, not only for me, but I don't know, I recently have been really into finding out what kind of love language we both have, and I think I like giving gifts, and I always have, even when it comes to my friends, so I'm trying to implement that more within our relationship just to, you know, keep things happy and healthy and all that good stuff. You know, don't do anything that you feel like you're forced to do, but I genuinely love waking up early in the morning, making a pot of coffee, and that's a little gesture that is kind of like that gift-giving love language, and it's just make me happy, and I think makes him happy too. Anyways, my breakfast of choice was naan because we are pretty much out of groceries at the house, with hummus and some basil leaves with some couscous, quinoa, and tomatoes, I think. I didn't have a particularly busy morning. I just had some admin work to do, some emails, some PR things I had to get sorted out because I had a couple of sponsored posts go out, and then I just did some laundry because my first class was at 8 until 9, and then I had a couple other classes at like 2 o'clock until, I don't know, 6 or something. This is another reason I love doing some chores in the morning / some gestures, because then it gives me a little bit more free time to tend to my fitness routine or to use my hydro gun, do a little bit more self-care. You know, just waking up earlier, getting some things done has really helped me. And no, I'm not saying I get up at like 6 a.m. I get up at like 7:30, which isn't incredibly early, but for me, since I work really late, I just like to get up early and get some things done so the rest of the day I don't have to worry about it. Also, guys, we recently finished the bathroom, so comment down below if you want a full bathroom tour because I'm quite obviously obsessed with the bathroom. Literally every single chance I get to mention the bathroom, I bring up the bathroom, and every single chance I get to show the bathroom, I showed off because, guys, Steven did 99% of the work. It looks amazing. I just picked out the stuff and helped him hang some things and paint the walls, but he literally broke his back, bent over backwards to build this bathroom, so give him some love in the comments because he did an amazing job. Obviously, our family's helped out as well. Yeah, he's done incredible work. I mean, look at this bath. Oh my gosh, I just feel so lucky, and I hate to brag, but I also have to because he's done such an incredible job. And again, comment down below, guys, because he deserves all this credit. So I actually taught at the studio tonight, hence the reason I'm in my teacher yoga pants and my shoes, and I was exhausted, so I did not vlog when we got home. I actually got takeout for me and Steve on the way home because there's a really good twisted Indian wraps place nearby my work, and then we also popped some champagne to celebrate the bathroom being done. Again, comment down below if you want a bathroom tour, and also comment down below the amazing work that Steve did. So the next morning, I obviously had to have my coffee. I taught my class at 8 a.m. and prepped snacks and the usual, ate breakfast. Now today, I taught my class, and then I also had to go get my winter tires on because old man winter is coming, guys, unfortunately. Then again, I do love winter for Christmas. Comment down below if you have winter where you live or if you even like winter. I say I don't, but I secretly love the snow Christmas morning. It makes me feel so nostalgic and happy and warm inside, you know? But then I went to Costco. We also got a Costco membership, which, guys, I feel like such an adult because I've been mooching off my parents' Costco membership, and they have the best samples ever. Then I got home, had some lunch, and this was Steven and Elsa playing. A mouthful. Now, this vlog was filmed on Thursday and Friday, hence the reason it's pretty short. We actually went to Steven's parents on Saturday morning after I taught at the studio, and then we went to my parents for dinner. Then we went back to his parents for Thanksgiving dinner. So it was a really lovely weekend, but because we were spending quality time with our family, we didn't vlog, I didn't vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini vlog, a little mini update, because a lot's been going on lately, and I promise to get more vlogs out, longer quality vlogs out. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and bye now.